Hey y'all, it's your friend Dee, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some mini brands, mini fashion items. Let's start with the mini fashion dream wardrobe. Before I unbox the wardrobe, for any of you guys who want to know the current price and where you can currently purchase this wardrobe, I don't have that information. I could probably look it up, and if I find anything, I'll put it on the screen. But right now, I don't know if this is still available. This was actually a birthday gift for my husband a year ago. It's currently February 2025. He bought this for me in March of 2024, and I kind of forgot about it. But anyway, so at the time he paid $19.99 for this. It was on sale at Amazon. The mirror in this wardrobe lights up, and the wardrobe comes with several accessories, and among those are some scented flowers and an exclusive handbag. And on the back of the box, you can see all of the individual items that come with the wardrobe. The wardrobe comes with a really nice instruction manual. It has really nice colored pictures to show you how to put together all of the accessories, as well as the walls of the wardrobe. The back walls of the wardrobe is just paperboard with a print on it, and if you ever want to switch this out, all you have to do is trace this piece and insert whatever color you want. So you get a small mirror that sits on the desk, and all of the mirrors come with this blue film covering them, so you have to remove that. And there's a pretty good reflection on all of these mirrors. You get a lamp with a white shade and a gold base. It does not work. So when you look underneath, there is not a bulb of any kind in there, but it's still a nice little lamp. You get a vase with pink flowers, and the flowers do have a scent. I can't really place the scent, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to smell like, but there is a scent to it. It's not very strong. The flowers can be removed, and you just have a gold base that you can put any kind of florals you want into. You get this white bust of a woman's head. She doesn't have any hair, so I think you're supposed to use it as a hat form to sit any of the mini brands hats on it. But I'm also thinking if your doll has wigs, you can use it for that. But I think she's pretty on her own and would just make nice decor in any room. You get 5 black hangers, and they're really nice. In the center, it has an MF for mini fashion, and you also have these little notches on the side for any strappy garments you might want to hang on it. And you get an exclusive gold bag with a chain that says mini. And you can open the bag. You get a brown and tan trunk with a mini brand logo on it, and it does open, so you can put lots of mini brands inside of it. You get a pink desk with gold legs, and the drawer does open. You can pull it all the way out as well, so if you want a desk like this, that can work. And inside of the drawer is just a large space, so there's not any dividers in it. You also get a pink stool with gold legs, and this can fit underneath the desk or over here underneath the drawer that is attached to the main part of the wardrobe. So on this wall, you have a lot of shelving, and you have this drawer that also opens, and it's just a open drawer, no dividers in it. Have this closet space here where the hangers can go. There's a bar that you can insert, and you can change the height of the bar for the hangers. All you have to do is just move the bar down onto one of these lower pieces here, the little plastic pieces that are poking out. The bar just slides onto those. And there is a makeup mirror here with working lights. You just need 3 AAA batteries to insert on the back side. The switch for the mirror is on the back side, and there is a little bit of a reflection off of the pink plastic surrounding the mirror, but I think it's still a neat feature. On this side, you have some shelving, as well as another closet with a door and a full-length mirror on the door. When you open the door, you can see there is some more shelving. There are hooks up top to hang some accessories, and there is another bar here, like over on this side, but this closet isn't as deep as this one, so I don't think you can hang clothes in there. Let's see if a hanger will fit. No. I can't even get it. So, well, it can hang, but it's poking out. So you'll probably just have to hang ties or belts off of this one. Overall, I really like this wardrobe. There are a lot of positives, like all of the accessories that you get and the mirror lighting up. But I do wish that it folded. In order to store this, you have to take it apart here at the corner. And I just don't like that. I wish it could just fold up and put it away. Another thing I wish they would have added is a floor. I just took some scrapbook paper and put it down, but I do wish they would have gave us some paperboard or something to use as a floor. And the third and final thing I wish they would have added to this wardrobe is a back wall on this side. So you can see I added my pink brick just to cover that up so you wouldn't see the walls in my house. I think they could have easily extended the walls of the shelf up and over and have a large cubby here with the paperboard as a backing, just to have a little wall there. Similar to what they did over on that wall with the mirror cubby, and instead of the mirror, just have the paperboard. Along with the wardrobe, my husband did get me a couple of the mini brand sneakers. Get a collector's guide, and I was gifted some of these by my friend Darcy. So I know I have a couple of the hats, and I know I have those flip-flops, and I think I have a pair of the tennis shoes also. We have a sticker of a Reebok jacket, a sticker that says Reebok, and it has the Reebok logo at the bottom. Our first bag, we have a hat. It's nice. This is a white one. We have a white Reebok hat. It is a soft plastic, so it's bendy. And I know these can fit Barbies and Ken dolls. And I think this bag has our shoes in it. Let's see what sneakers we got. Let's pump it up. And these are Reeboks. Oh, it looks like they're gonna match the hat. Well, not quite. The hat does not have orange on it. So we have the white, black, and orange Pump It Reebok. On the front, you can see this little round piece that kind of looks like a basketball. And on the real shoe, you could press on that and it would pump the shoe up with air. And the laces on this are just plastic. I know on the female shoes, they usually put actual laces on. And they even finished off the bottom of the shoes. Now I'm going to use these shoes with my Ken doll, but you can definitely use them with a female doll if you have one whose feet are large enough. Maybe an action figure doll would work. And I have another mini brand sneakers. We have a Skechers sticker, a sticker with a pink Skechers shirt. Here's our first bag, and I think it's a hat. Oh yeah, it's a bucket hat. So we got a white bucket hat with the Skechers logo on it. You can see all of the detail around the hat. And like the baseball cap, it is a soft plastic, so it's squishy. And the dolls can definitely wear these. So that makes this bag our shoes. Oh, it's got a very shiny box. Here's the box. It says Skechers Street, Los Angeles, with air-cooled memory foam. Oh, it's a very psychedelic box. So let's see our shoes. Wow, they're bright pink. We got bright pink Skechers, and it actually says Skechers in silver on the side, right there. And there's a little air pocket on the heel of the shoe. Here it is from the front, and the laces, like the Reebok, are just plastic. I'm hoping my Barbie dolls can fit this. It looks like it's a little bit larger than the shoes that you get with the mini brand fashion capsules, but it'll still look very nice on the shelf. So these shoes are too big for my Barbies, so I'll have to give these to a Ken doll also. I was able to get the pink Sketcher onto a Ken doll. It is a snug fit, but it went on without any issues. The Reebok I could not get on without forcing it, and I was afraid with the way the tongue is made inside that it would mess up either the shoe or the doll's foot. I think this one was just going to be too tight for the doll. I also got a couple of the Mini Brand Fashion 2-packs. Let's open up this bag. I think these are the smaller accessories. And there's only a few items in this series that I still need. I think the only purse I need is the mushroom purse. We have the white sunglasses, and I do already have these. We have the black bow with the white flower, and I think these are meant to be neckties, but you could actually use them as anything, headbands, whatever you can think of. And we have the white and black sandals. So this is our purse. So we got the clear purse with the black trim, silver chains, and pearls. Our next ball, our accessory bag. Looks like this is the green theme on this one. We have the green ankle purse, a green headband, and we got the black boots with the green soles. And this should be our purse. And we got the white woven purse. So very simple design, says Mini Fashion on the side. It does open, and there's a magnet to close it. And I do have another 2-pack of the Mini Brands Fashion, but I think I bought this one for myself because there's a raw sticker on it that says $11.99. So I don't think my husband bought me this one. These are the accessories. And we have the red lip gloss, the red glasses with the gold Mini Brands logo on the side. And I love that all of their glasses fold. And we got the red boots. Let's see which purse we got. So this red purse comes with a gold chain and a gold Mini Fashion emblem on the front. And it also has stitching on the flap here that almost mimics a quilting pattern. And you can open it up. And yeah, these have a pretty long chain. It's tucked inside. So you can pull it and make that chain shorter. You can make one long chain. Our next ball. These are the accessories. And we got, oh, I don't have these. We got some red press-on nails. Another pair of the red sunglasses. And we have the pink fuzzy sandals. And this is a new one for me. Here's what they look like from the front. And they have a strap with the black Mini Fashion logo on it. And the top is hard. And my Barbie can wear these. They are just a little bit too big. You can see her toe barely comes out the front. But I think we can get away with it. So this is our purse. Yes, it is the mushroom purse. I think this is the last purse that I needed because Darcy gifted me a lot of the purses in this series, as well as a lot of the shoes. So I finally got the mushroom bag, and I think it's really pretty. You see all of the mushrooms on it with the pink trim and this kind of a brown suede material in the center. And it has straps. And there is a magnet. And you can see there's space inside. So I finally got this bag. I'm excited. I filled the wardrobe up with several of my Mini Brands Fashion items. And I was also able to get some Barbie and Ken clothes on the hangers. So I was able to get a Ken tank top and jacket on the hangers. I did have several shirts that would not stay on because they were just too big. These hangers were definitely made more for Barbie sized clothes. The mini brand cosmetic items fit perfectly in the vanity drawer. I was able to fit quite a few items in the desk drawer and still have a little bit of space. I have some hair accessories here, some sunglasses, and a few of the mini fashion jewelry boxes. And the jewelry boxes fit in there nicely. I can still close the drawer. So guys, August has come to help us with this next part. We're going to check to see how wheelchair accessible the wardrobe is. So he can definitely reach the lower shelves without any issues. So he'll probably store his hats and shoes on this lower shelf, and his wife will get the upper shelves. Now let's see if he can use the desk. And that's pretty good. Typically you don't have your stomach right against the desk, so I think that's a good amount of space. I think he can reach the clothes fine if he backs in. Definitely won't be able to reach the hat, so all of that space will be for his wife. If I have him facing the closet, he can't get close enough because of his wheelchair. So definitely we'll have to back in, or we'll have to get him one of those wardrobe poles where he can reach up and unhook the hangers. So I definitely think August will be able to use this wardrobe without any issues. As far as the closet, I think the same thing would apply with the higher areas. We'll just give that to his wife, and the lower part will just be his. Where's my gold hat? Hey babe, have you seen my gold hat? It's in the closet. No, it's not. I looked. See, it's not on the shelf. Are you serious? Is this the gold hat you're looking for? See, babe, you're great at finding stuff. So before I go, do I need to help you find anything else? No, babe, I got it from here. Mm-hmm. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below and I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.